What is up? Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be talking about the price action that has happened today. So let's jump straight into it. So if we're looking at the daily time frame, we can see that we have got this buy side liquidity sitting up here. That is the main draw on liquidity. Now I'm not expecting price action to hit today. I just want this eventually because we have took all of buy side and we just have this left up here. Look at this displacement up. We have disrespected a lot of inverse fair value gaps, which shows me that price wants to come to the upside. We have disrespected that that fair value gap and that fair value gap, and we have most recently disrespected this fair value gap here, which shows me that we want to go up. Now I did want to see a small retracement today, but the trade that I actually took was a confirmation long to the upside. So if we jump into the 5-minute time frame, you will see that we have at 9:30 we have a very bullish open. As you can see, let me just move my camera. So at 9:30 we have this very bullish open. Now I trade live in my Discord every day, so if you want to join my Discord, the link is in the description or in my Instagram bio or TikTok bio. If you want to join that and watch me live stream, that would be great, and I'm sure it'd be very beneficial for you guys. I've had 100% win rate this week calling out trades, so that's been nice. I've only called 2 trades in the 3 days of trading, but they have both been winners. Now let's get back to the price action. So 9:30 we had this big move to the upside, and as I was saying in my stream, I was saying this could definitely be a big Judas swing to the upside because we have this liquidity here. As you can see, we have this buy side liquidity here that was my target at the open, and that got smashed through, but there was no entries given here whatsoever. There's no way that we could have gotten to just move to the upside. So I wanted to see if we get a retracement down. So I was sitting on the 1 minute. We came up all the way to here, and then we started to get this slow move down. Now there was a potential trade here. There was fair value gaps that you could have shorted, but just because of displacement and this buy side liquidity sitting up here, I did not take any long positions. Long or short positions. I wanted to wait for a retracement and then potentially enter off of a inverse fair value gap. But if we go to the 5-minute, as you can see, we just shot straight back down, and there wasn't really any opportunities for a short. So then price comes all the way down here. There was still no there was still no opportunities for a short, so I marked out this for 15-minute fair value gap. This is a 15-minute fair value gap. Oh, sorry, let me zoom out a bit. This is a 15-minute fair value gap right here, as you can see, and price was reacting nicely off of this 15-minute fair value gap. So I was saying to the people in the Discord, if we get a nice inversion fair value gap model to the upside, then that is what I am taking. And as you can see, let me just remove these boxes for you. We have this nice inversion fair value gap. Now I did not take this inversion, so all the inversion traders as a candle close above an inversion fair value gap, and then the stop loss would be a candle close below. But I did not take this inversion. I wanted to wait for a a confirmation, so the risk reward would just be a lot better and it would be a higher probability. So we get this inversion here, which is our confirmation, and then inside this 1 minute inversion fair value gap, we get this bearish candle that is inversed. And as soon as this candle is made, I say to the guys, I made it very obvious that I was going to long at this point, and as you can see, price came up, price closed there, so this would have been our entry. Our stop loss would be a candle close back below the inverse fair value gap. Now, as you can see, the targets aren't very clear. So we have this buy side sitting up here that could have been targeted, but I actually was targeting. Sorry about my phone, I'll mute that. I was actually targeting deep into a 5 minute fair value gap, which was right here. As you see, we have this 5 minute fair value gap, so I just wanted to see high up price action on this 5 minute fair value gap, which I ended up getting. Now, with this trade, as soon as we hit this internal buy side liquidity right here, our stop loss would have went to break even. So price only moved 5 handles, and then it would have been a risk-free trade, and the safe option to take profit would have been this buy side liquidity right here, because above we don't really have any targets. You could have left a runner up here, but I was overall bearish on the rest of the day, because we respected a 4-hour fair value gap. So the reason why I was bearish on the rest of the day is, as you see on the 4-hour time frame, we inversed this 4-hour fair value gap right here. We got a candle close below here, so that gave me the short bias. And then we actually, at 9:30, we had that big spike up, but the candle respected this bearish fair value gap right here. As you can see, I know price is pumping up now, but try to ignore that, because at the time price was respecting this 4-hour bearish fair value gap, so my bias was short for the time being, and that's why I wasn't really holding any long positions on today. Now, for the PM session that hasn't actually started yet, it opens in 10 minutes. I will be looking for a short, and this might actually be a perfect short to take, as this would be the silver bullet short. So I might enter into a trade like this with my stop loss there. I may take profit down here, but I think I might actually wait for a confirmation setup. But yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to join the Discord where I live trade every day. And yeah, thank you for watching.